What you're looking at, ladies, is Instagram versus reality. And these pictures were taken 2 minutes apart. Sure, we want to show our best side to the world, and we want to motivate and inspire others and show them how great you can look at any age. But the truth is that with the bodies that you see on Instagram, in the magazines, on TV, those are not real bodies. Everything depends on lighting, on the position, on Photoshop, on filters, so many different things. So when you're comparing yourself to the bodies that you're seeing online, those are not real bodies. And this doesn't just affect teenage girls and young women. It affects even those of us in our 50s, because we're just kind of ingrained to compare ourselves to others, and we are programmed to believe that we are never good enough. But that is simply not true. You are perfect and you are beautiful exactly as you are. Never, never compare yourself to someone else.